Hi guys, just another quick inbox review. Today we've got a Junkers Ju87B, commonly known as the Stuka, from Revell 144 Microwings series. Now I haven't opened this one up yet. Let's have a look. Okay, what do we got? Standard disclaimer. Nice little decal sheet there. Decal looks nice and flat. Registration looks quite nice. Nice little sheet there. Quickly run through the instructions. Standard box art on the front and the cover. Standard user symbols. General guide to construction. Six different colours are called out for on the plans. Standard one-page sheet for the instructions, and paint scheme to match. Looks very nice. Let's have a look at the important stuff. The sprues. For these kits you got to watch out for the loose canopies. And that canopy looks in quite nice shape. It's nice and clear. No detail on it at all. A couple of little faint lines on there. Looks alright. Okay, we've got the standard clear base to go with the model. Now this is what we really want to look at. Okay, two-piece wings. A little bit of flashing on the propeller. Okay, a little bit of flashing down there. Fuselage looks nice and smooth. Not a lot of trimming needs to be done there. The wings look nice and smooth, no flashing around it. What's that? Very, very faint recess lines for the wing panels. Also very faint recess lines for the fuselage. That might not come up on camera, it's quite fine. And we get a cute little bomb. Isn't that nice? Excellent, just a quick review and we'll see how this one goes together. Thanks for watching.